Oh, thank you. It's all done? Get a fish. You need help with the fish? Grab it. Grab it, get it. Whoa, careful, bud. Good job. Yay. Hi. Leave all the balls in there. Rennie, let me see you through here. Look. Rennie, look, peek through here.
Mom, look at this. Look at this. A ball. Open this ball pin.
Okay, come on. Good job.
The spider got me.
Where's the spider? Good job. You made it.
Yeah, you want to do it again? Go.
Watch Alexander, Rennie. Come on, Alexander, you can do it. You can do it. Get it.
Come on, Rennie.
Come on, Rennie, this way.
Good job.
Oh, hi. Come down the slide, Rennie. Where are you? Oh, dinosaur. Come down the slide. Oh, good job, Rennie. What are you stuck? No. Alexander, let's go. Christian, go up the slide and see where your brother is. Christian, go up the slide.
See where your brother is.
Right here, baby, right here. Alex, right here. There he goes. He's coming. Nice and slow. Good job, bud.
Put your leg over. Got it. Good job.
Find the dinosaur bones, Rennie.
Where? Get another paintbrush, honey, or whatever. You gotta clean this off, Papa. Look, Alex. Look, you gotta clean this off.
Is it? Kick, Rennie.